Focus on a couple of pharma stocks then. Sun Pharma is gaining in today's trading session while we have Glenmark that's under some pressure. Ekta, run us through the news.
Well, the news on Sun Pharma and Glenmark today is that Sun Pharma has received approval for Zetia generic, which is basically a cholesterol drug. Now, the drug itself is in focus because it's around a $2.7 billion drug, and Glenmark had exclusivity on it, which started in December of 2016. Remember that exclusivity lasts for 6 months, so that ended in this month, and hence there are other companies which are now getting approval. So we've seen Sun Pharma get approval, we've seen Cadila get approval, as well as the likes of Teva, which has received approval for Zetia generic. Remember that Zetia generic didn't really work its magic as much as it was estimated for Glenmark. It was estimated to contribute around up to $250 million, and there's a likelihood that they could possibly end with around $200 million in terms of the total sales from exclusivity for Glenmark. But why is Sun rising despite the fact that it would see a lot of competition from this space? It's also because Sun Pharma has received 2 US approvals just in the past week odd. So the street is quite optimistic that despite maybe some outstanding observations for the likes of Halol and Dadra, the company is managing to get US approvals.